Hello guys, welcome to the Jai channel. Yay, screaming! Alright, today I'm gonna show you Korean style chicken soup. This soup is absolutely gorgeous. Anyways, let's start to create an amazing flavor together guys. Let's do this. Slice half of white onion, not really fine yet. Chopped legs using only white part of leg. White part of leg has more flavor and spicy than green part. So, we're gonna using those for the special sauce guys. Roughly cut leg sleeves as well. Really fresh sound in it. Nice. Alright, stop. We start and cut the garlic chives. We call it buchu, yeah? Garlic chives contains a lot of vitamin A, C, B1, B2. Really healthy food. Cut it approximately 5 cm. Finally chop the Korean green pepper, the spicy one. Literally, we call it cheongyang pepper. That means very spicy. Look at that. Slice Korean sweet radish as well. Prepare nice and clean one whole chicken. Add the cooking wine, bay leaves, ginger, garlic, mixed root, half of onion, little bit of Korean radish as well. Pour water until all ingredients are soaked. When it starts boiling, remove the lid about 10 minutes. Boiling with the lid open is to blow the bad smell of chicken. Really important guys. Drain everything. And then rinse with cold water, very gently. Alright, we need wool to clean the chicken. Usually, chicken blood stick on the bones. Look at that, it's nasty, isn't it? That's why we need to clean nice. Using your finger, clean, wax on, wax off. Pour water about 2 liters with the Korean radish. When it starts boiling, turn down to low heat. Cooking wine, sea salt, black pepper. Korean radish is gonna be giving you sweetness without any sugar. Alright, let's start to grind the sesame seed guys. Usually chefs grind the sesame seed with both hands, right? But look at this bowl. It's beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely, that bowl makes sesame taste better. Grind it. I can smell you. Add the chili powder, mix it together very gently. Whole grain mustard, chop the garlic, lemon juice, put the fermented plum extract, add the liquid aminos, soy sauce. Add the chicken stock, that's it. Now we've got lovely Korean special sauce guys. Thanks for watching video. I'll be in the next video guys. Thanks.